Today we have Redmi Note 5 and you are going to see its unboxing. So let's get started. Redmi Note 5 comes in a bubble wrap. Let's remove it and you can see the box fully packed in a plastic wrap. Let's remove it. Oh, it's sealed. It is sealed from two sides. Let's cut the seal and open the box. Here it comes. What is this? Let's see. Oh, I think it's a case. Nothing else in the box, as you can see. Let's see this case first. A foam piece and it is a black cover. Let's keep it aside and move to our main device body. Whoa, it feels so premium, just like Samsung Galaxy S8. Sturdy metallic feel, premium quality. Let's boot it up. Until that, we see contents in the box. Here you can see some manuals in Chinese and English. Let's keep them aside. What else we have in the box? Here we have a small data cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a charger. Let's see its rating. Oh, it is a 2 ampere charger, so it will not support fast charging. Device supports fast charging, but the company is not providing a fast charger. I hope you can see it. Let's move to our device now. MIUI 9. Let me set it up. On upper side, you get a flash, proximity sensor and a selfie camera. On the bottom, there is nothing, only a chin. On back, we have a 12 megapixel camera, dual tone LED flash and fingerprint sensor. And yeah, Mi branding also. Left side, you get a SIM tray, which is hybrid of course. On right side, a set of volume rockers and a power button. On top, we have 3.5mm jack, a noise cancellation microphone and a IR blaster. On bottom, we have speaker, mic and USB mini port. That's all guys. More videos are coming on Redmi Note 5. So don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.